You are a useless woman.
Chike, how can you say that to me?
Tell me what use you are. Since I married you, what have you given me? Trouble? Shame?
I nearly died giving birth to our child.
And that child is a girl. I need a son.
That girl is your child too, Chike.
He is not the son I wanted. You speak as if I chose this.
The doctor said another pregnancy could kill me.
So because of you, my lineage should end?
This is not my fault. I give everything to this family.
I married a wife, not a disappointment.
One day you will regret speaking to me like this.
The regret was marrying you.
You heard what your father said tonight, didn't you?
Did I do something wrong, Mommy?
No, my child, you did nothing wrong. Your father chose to abandon us.
Does Daddy not love me anymore?
If he loved us, he would not leave us like this. You must grow strong, Amara. One day become so successful that he will regret walking away from us. Let him see what he lost.
Yes, Mommy. Daddy, are you traveling? When will you come back? Daddy? Daddy, please come back.
Mommy, please eat something. I'm not hungry. Your father destroyed this home. I heard Chike has married that woman, the one he was seeing secretly? Yes, and she has already given him a son. A son? Yes, that's what he always wanted.
Mommy, is it true Daddy has another child?
Yes.
So he left us for them?
He chose them over us.
Did he forget about us?
Some people forget the ones who love them first. My daughter, promise me something.
Yes, Mommy.
Never forget what your father did to us. He abandoned us when we needed him the most. Do well in life. Become stronger than the pain he left behind. Be better than the children he chose over you.
Your father wants to see you.
I don't have a father.
Amara, he is still your father.
That man stopped being my father the day he abandoned us.
He wants to talk to you.
Tell him I already buried that part of my life.
My daughter, forgive your father.
No, Grandma.
Hatred will destroy your heart.
He destroyed my mother.
Pain can make us say things we later regret.
I cannot forgive him.
Then pray that one day your heart becomes lighter.
Excuse me, are you Amara? Yes. My name is Adez. I am your father's wife. Why are you here? Your father is very sick. That has nothing to do with me. It was my fault he stayed away. What do you mean? I threatened him. I told him if he tried to see you, I would leave with my son. He had years to find me.
He has cancer now and he wants to see you.
Let him die. He deserves it.
Many people are alive, but not free. Someone hurt you deeply. Someone betrayed your trust. And because of that pain, you decided you would never forgive. But unforgiveness is a prison. You think you are punishing the person who hurt you, but you are the one carrying the weight every day. Forgiveness does not mean what they did was right. It means you refuse to let their mistake control your life forever. Some apologies will never come. So forgive while there is still time.
I came to see my father.
Amara,
Please, where is he?
you just missed him. He died this morning.
No! Daddy, I forgive you. No! Daddy, I forgive you. Daddy, please, if you can hear me, I forgive you. I should have come sooner. I'm sorry I waited for so long. God, please forgive me for holding on to hate all these years. Forgive me, Lord, and heal my soul.